I'm Joe, and welcome to the Joe Fixes It channel, where I work on my Mark II Volkswagen diesels and occasionally on my X-Mark Metro. Today we're going to check out the Luisladders telescoping aluminum step ladder. I have rental property that's over 100 miles away, and I wanted a portable ladder that I could put in the back of my car. This is what I used in the past. I didn't pay much for it. It will fit in the back of my seat. It takes up all the space, and it doesn't even reach the peak of the roof. So let's go ahead with this unboxing. The Luisladders telescoping ladder was made in China. You can see that it has a shipping weight of 25 pounds. In reality, it weighs 31 pounds and change with the box. That's not extremely light, but it's manageable. The box is 3 feet by 22 inches and 4¼ inches wide. I haven't opened this box yet, so let's go ahead and get started. A box in a box. That's frustrating, but I guess it's packaged well. Now it's time for the Joe Fixes It big reveal. And here we have it. You have the instructions taped to the bottom rung. Do we read instructions? Not really. If nothing else, it's attractive. It claims to be a lightweight design. They say that it weighs 24.4 pounds. Let's put that to the test with my handy refrigerant scales. This thing weighs in at 27 pounds and roughly 9 ounces, so they lied about the weight, but it still is a compact design. The ladder load capacity is 330 pounds. I'm not going to try and see what its breaking point is. It has a EN 131 safety materials rating. I don't know what that means. It has a Velcro strap right here to hold it all together. More on that later. It has thumb buttons for easy closing. You can see that it has a red and green right here, and another one just like it on this side. More on that later. They claim a one-button contraction switch for easy descent. What they mean by this is you press one, and then when you're ready to contract it, you press the other. That's your one button. Corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy. They have individual rung switches, so you don't have to collapse the whole ladder if you want to make it a custom height. They have the switches right under here. You can just hit them with 2 fingers. And only one rung collapses. It has easy to read instructions on the leg of the ladder. And of course, big plastic bottom caps to keep it from sliding. For 12.5 feet of ladder length, this thing will set you back $153 before taxes through Amazon. If you have Prime, shipping's free. Before I end this unboxing video, let's head outside and see how this thing works in the real world. Now for the real world trial. If you can see, I hold it by its plastic holder on the bottom. You don't want to grab it from the top because it'll start opening up. Simply pull your Velcro holder off. It holds it all together so it won't go deploying on you by accident. Not that it will. I usually put my foot on the bottom rung and start lifting up from the bottom, taking it up one at a time as it locks in place as you go up. The only problem with that is I can't reach the top to send it up. The directions say start from the top and work your way up. Now we're ready for the test climb. I'm liking it. It's not too hard to carry around, even though they lied about their weight. It's pretty solid. It's not too wobbly. In fact, some of the other ladders I have are worse than this. It seems to be a nice, stable platform. Maybe a little laborious in getting it to a custom height. The directions I found to be a little bit difficult to understand. I actually read them. So I'm gonna have to give this thing a Joe Fixes It seal of approval. That is my unboxing, and that is my review. We will see you in the next video.